to my channel. I'm so excited you're here, and I'm just hoping you're getting a lot of good information about this. If you have any questions at all, please ask a question or make a comment down below, and I will get back to you. I will either answer your question or shoot a video or whatever it is that you would like me to do. I will definitely do that to help you with your hot tub questions and concerns. If you get a second, hit the subscribe button. It's huge. It helps us out a lot, and it just helps us grow and helps us continue to produce these videos for you. Today's video is, I'm going to actually review this product. It is the Hot Springs Spa Vac. Honestly, guys, if you have a hot tub, you should have this product. It is absolutely amazing. What it does is it gets all the debris and the ick at the bottom of the hot tub that you don't know how to clean up without making a mess. And I just actually have mine, and I just have it cleaned up against the wall, and it's out there all the time. But all you do is you put your thumb on the end of this, creates a siphon, get in front of what you want to pick up, take your thumb off, and it sucks it up, and then you just drain the water out. I've actually got a couple of pennies down here in the hot tub. I don't know if you can pick those up. Can you see them? Mm-hmm. Okay, perfect. So all you do is I'm going to put my thumb on the end of this, close that up. We're going to go down in here. I'm going to get in front of the penny. I'm going to take the thumb off. It creates a siphon, picks up the penny. I probably could have got both of them in that, but I want to show you again. Drain the water out. It's absolutely fantastic. Do the same thing again. Just put your thumb over the end of it. Make sure that the end is out of the water. Thumb over the end of it. Get in front of your penny. Suck it right up. Whoops, I missed. It does work. So then you just drain it out, and then when you're done, you just empty the bottom of this. This just comes off. So helps when your hands are dry. You just screw that bottom off, and then empty that out, and you're good to go, or fill it up completely, whatever you want to do. This thing is amazing, totally worth it. I will link where to get it down in the comments down below, but definitely get yourself a Hot Springs Spa Vac. They are amazing. Remember, here at Hot Tub Lady, we absolutely love you all, and just remember, keep making life epic.